Here we are, guys. Back at the creek. I can't help it. I just love this creek. Light breeze still here. I'll fight this wind again. That's one. Oh, real nice one too. Oh my God, he's a fatty. Oh my God, y'all see that? I'm getting wet. Oh, he's a fatty. Oh, he's a giant. He's choked it. Come here. Come here. Oh yes. At least a 5-pounder. Oh man, my scale is at home and it's dead. Oh my God. I want y'all to see this. Look how big that one is. At least a 4-5-pounder. First fish of the day had to be a monster. We got to. Oh my God, let's get him on the hook and release. Whoa, he choked that thing. One more time for the camera. Here it is, guys. A nice, solid 4-5-pounder. Wow. If y'all can only see this in person, this is huge. Like, yeah, this is big. So, we're going ahead and let him go. Where y'all can see this. This way. There you go, buddy. I dragged it off this log or this lay down. It was a little branch. I came over it, and then like I guess he picked it up while it was falling off of that lay down. Oh my God, I missed him. He had it. He was small. Oh my shade. I always losing something. Taking them on them little guys. Alright. Went from monster to the little dink here. So I guess that's just my luck. Oh well, I mean it's a fish, so it counts. Right? Right. Another one. Oh, a bunch of these little guys swimming up over here. He got a fat head on him. There we go, guys. Another one. Where's a dink? Oh yeah. Oh well. I'm having fun. Like I said, just here to kill some time. Swinging them bad boys on. Oh, he had it. Yeah, I think there's a school of them little ones right here. Oh, I'm trying to stab myself in the chest there. Oh, yeah, better one. Nice little half pounder. He's fatty though. Stomach on him. There you go, guys. So, yeah, I think I found them. They're like real stacked up right this corner. I wouldn't even say corner. It's just like a straight flat. The corner's over there, and this is all a flat, like a shallow flat. I say about 3 feet maybe. There it is. Let them go. All right. Not a bad day today. That's it. He just thumped it one time. Oh, another nice one. Oh my God. No, he was trapped. I got him out though. He choked it. Ooh. Ooh. Come here. Come here. Don't jump. Don't jump. Come here. Come here. Oh, there you go. Nice. Pound and a half, 2 pounds maybe. And he choked it. Oh. Here it is, guys. Oh, I'm all up in this bush. Anyways, here it is, guys. Only like 2 pounds maybe. Yeah, I say about 2 pounds. Let's go. Let her grow. Let's get it, boys. Boy, the bite is on today. Go. Another one, guys. Sir. There it is. We're gonna let him go. I knew there was one in there. Not the biggest. We'll take it. We'll take it. Oh, he a fat little guy though. Look at the stomach on that little guy. See that? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good today. Alright guys, so I've been here since like 8:30, 9 o'clock maybe. It's already 12 o'clock now. So I'll probably be out here for another hour. And I'm just gonna head back and go home. I'm getting kind of hungry. Surviving off a Gatorade. another one. Oh, he's a chunk. He's a chunk. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my God. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, I wish I'd have had my scale. Oh, I can't lose him. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, he's barely hooked. Freaking barely hooked. Oh, don't spit it. Don't spit it, don't spit it. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that, guys. That's a giant. Another 4-pounder maybe. But look at that, guys. That's another chunk. That's giant. Oh man, I can't believe it. Look at that. You see that? Let's let him go though. I was just hopping it around by the boat. Alright y'all, so I am super hungry now. I'm gonna just go ahead, paddle back to the truck. I guess I'm gonna just end it here. And you know, today was a great fishing day. I enjoyed it very much. Caught plenty of bass today. So I don't feel like reaching forward to turn the camera off, so our goal is to progress, get better at bass fishing. I mean, I knew a little bit coming into the bass fishing game, and so on, but you know, I wasn't really good at it. You know, I always loved fishing. I grew up fishing. You know, like everybody else did, a worm. A little live worm and a bobber, you know, little brim bluegills. I grew up catching them, and then years later down the road, you know, as I got older, I decided to bass fish. And the only thing I was throwing when I was bass fishing was a spinnerbait year round. No matter what time of day it is, I didn't know the fundamental of it. I didn't know too much about it. I just knew that spinnerbait catches bass. So everywhere I went, I had a spinnerbait when I was younger. I had fun, you know. Some days I'm catching one bass, some days I'm catching 10 of them. Big, small, don't really matter as long as it's fun. So, as soon as I get back to the truck, I'm gonna load up, go home. You know, catch you guys on the next episode, I guess. Alright guys, so as you can see behind me, I landed. Yeah. So it looks like I'm about to pack it up and go home. It's been a good day of fishing. For sure I did not skunk. And I believe I got a lot of footage on camera today. Thanks to this homemade battery box that I made last night. Kept my camera charged up all day today to be able for me to put some fish in the boat for you guys. And had an awesome day. But anyways, let me go ahead and load this up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.